we have an Ideal Independent Plus C30 with F1 fold. So this F1 means you don't have no water in central heating system. You might have a leak, you might have installed a new radiator, you might have underflow heating, but this is one of the common reasons spiral vent, because it's getting out all the air from your heating system, and they're saying you're going to reduce your bills with 4%. So let me take the cover off and try to repressure this boiler. Cover off. So we can see the gauge now, and that's the reason we take the cover off. It's 0. I'm going to switch off the boiler from the spot. Filling loop. Open one side fully and the second one slowly till you can hear the water passing through. We don't want to damage nothing inside the heating system or the boiler. It might be too hot or something happening inside the boiler. So putting the water slowly is the most safer place to top up any heating system. So the gauge slowly getting up. So we want, the RO to be between 1.2 and 1.5, and then we can reset the boiler. And we're gonna see if it's anything else happening. So as you can see, quite clean. The air vent closed. It seems like it's leaking, but apart from that, it seems like everything is fine. So let's see the pressure. Okay, so the pressure is roughly 1.5, yeah. Okay, that's it, done. Now, switch on the boiler from, it seems like it's on, or I'm gonna open the hot water tap. So hot water tap on. Let's see. Yeah, boiler is up and running. So we have hot water. The gauge is increasing a little bit because the water is expanding. Let me close the water and open the heating system, and you might hear the spiral vent working. So now the heating is on. Let's hear. On. Heating is on. Pressure back to normal. Everything back to normal. Let's close this boiler and job done. Okay, done. So boiler back on, cover back on, job done.